Hello and welcome to Savor the Southwest. Today we're going to savor some barrel fruit, or more accurately, the seeds from the barrel fruit. Okay, so this giant barrel here is outside my kitchen window. And I looked out the window the other day and saw a Harris ground squirrel up on top harvesting the fruits. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's very hard to point to things here. Those are very fresh harvest scars from where the ground squirrel pried out the fruits. Let me grab a stick here. Okay, so these are freshly harvested, and these are older from a year or maybe, about a year ago, let's say. So now the flowers have developed into fruits, and the fruits are actually, well, they're not quite ready, all of them, to harvest. I don't know if you could see there. I kind of wiggle it a little bit, and if it comes off, it's ready to harvest. So like this one right here, it's not coming off easily. And what's nice about these fruits is they have the spent blossoms. That's what this is, these old flower petals. And they're very easy to grab a hold of, and then they just come right off when they're ready. So this one, you can see it's right in the middle and it's very green and it's not ready at all. But this one, maybe, yep, it's ready. And this one, it's ready. And it's one of the part of being ready is that an abscission layer is formed, and this is a layer of tissue between the fruit and the plant that allows the plant to easily and quickly heal over and make sure that infection doesn't get in. So you really don't want to pry on these or try to pull them off before they're ripe, because you're actually harming the plant somewhat. Now, I'm not going to harvest very many. They're still pretty green, but the seeds inside should be ready for use. And the reason I'm not harvesting too many is that it's a it's been a hard summer, it's a hard fall. There's a lot of hungry critters, like the ground squirrels, coming up here, climbing up this stickery, spiny plant just to get at the seeds. Later on when I go inside, I'll show you how they get the seeds out of the fruit. So next step, inside to see how to get the seeds out of these.